Consumer cellular flip phones receive wireless emergency alerts, formerly known as CMAS. These alerts include several types delivered to your device. The alert types are presidential, imminent threat, amber, public safety, and extreme weather alerts. By default, all are enabled. Here are examples of the alerts you might receive, such as amber alerts for child abductions, extreme weather alerts for storms or floods, and public safety alerts for hazards like chemical spills. Due to federal law, presidential and imminent threat alerts cannot be disabled. However, you can turn off amber, public safety, and extreme weather alerts. Note that steps may vary by your specific flip phone model, and full shutdown isn't available. To disable non-mandatory alerts on your consumer cellular flip phone, follow these steps carefully. First, navigate to the Settings menu on your flip phone. Typically, you'll go to Menu, then Settings, then Messages or Emergency Alerts. Next, select Wireless Emergency Alerts or CMAS from the menu options. Then toggle off options like Amber Alerts and Public Safety Alerts if available on your model. Finally, save your changes to apply the settings. Remember, disabling alerts can mean missing important safety information. Consider carefully which alerts you disable. Also, keep in mind that resetting your phone might re-enable the alerts. If you're unsure how to proceed, consult your phone's manual or contact Consumer Cellular Support at 1-888-345-5509 for assistance, since steps can vary by model.